Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to make a distance measure using Arduino Uno and ultrasonic sensor. For this we'll need one Arduino Uno, a breadboard and an ultrasonic sensor. So let's start making the project. So the connections for ultrasonic sensor will be the GND will go to ground of Arduino, echo to 7th pin and trigger to 8th pin and VCC to the 5-volt pin of Arduino. So let's start connecting. Okay, so the connections are done and let's head on to the programming. So this is the programming part. Firstly, we need to open the Arduino IDE. Open the notepad file that I have given in the description and copy the Arduino code. Okay. So next we have to create a new sketch. Paste the code here and connect the Arduino Uno. Just wait a second. Okay, so I've connected and we have to upload the code. Just wait a second. Here you will see an error because I forgot to select the COM port. Here I am going to select COM port 8. You can find your Arduino COM port by going to device manager, going to ports COM and LPT and seeing your Arduino Uno COM port. Okay, so I've selected my COM 8 and uploading the code. Yeah, so the code is uploaded and you can see the project using your serial monitor. It will show you the distance. Okay, so now we can close the Arduino IDE and we have to open the processing app and copy the processing code. And here also you have to mention your COM port. Here I have mentioned COM 8. Okay, so now you can run the program and see it's working. Okay. Now as you can see, I'm using this remote to demonstrate you. So here the distance is changing. Actually we'll not see the accurate distance because the scale is actually on a wrong positioning right now, like a bit of like 0.5 centimeter. You can change it. Let me try approx this much. So let's try. See, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, and you can see it's working very nicely actually. So this is all for this project and I hope I'll see you in my future videos. Bye.